In this video, I will show you how you can move CRM record attachments into WorkDrive with a single click, syncing existing CRM attachments. Now, what if you already have files attached to your records in Zoho CRM, the old-fashioned way, and you want to move them to WorkDrive? Scroll up to the Attachment section. Upload a couple of files. So select Attach and Upload File. So click here. And I am uploading 2 files here. So then attach. And now come back to the Easy WorkDrive widget. Click the setting icon and choose Sync Attachments. The extension will pull every attachment from that record and upload them straight into the record's WorkDrive folder. So come in the WorkDrive folder, and if we open this Contacts folder, you will see the record named MD-GROM. And you will see these 2 files here. Huge time saver when you are migrating from an older setup.